Alright, so we have the frame drawn, frame top, frame bottom, frame left, and frame right. Then we have the three shelves drawn, top, middle, bottom. Now assemble this kind of thing to figure out why we notched those the way we did. Okay, here it comes. Well, for starters, I got to tip all this stuff here up. Stuff's laying down. I got to tip this stuff up. This shelf here, oops, sorry, too much is grabbed. The shelf here, here's the bottom edge, right edge, left edge. I got to rotate this on this corner, so I'm on this surface. Click to place it, click to grab, pivot upwards 90 degrees, drop it. So there's my shelf. It's vertical now, okay? Blue wanted exactly 2 inches up from the bottom of that last shelf. So for the very bottom edge, I'm going to go up 2 inches. All right. So if I put that shelf so it lands right on the bottom of it, lands on this 2-inch line and that edge. That's my little marker. Okay. So let's go grab a shelf, bring it in place. Grab a shelf, I'm going to move it closer. I got to rotate this shelf 90 degrees this way. And then as long as it's still blue or selected, I'm going to move it again. M for move, I'm going to grab this bottom outside corner and plug it in right on that 2-inch markup right there, intersection, and drop it. And now if our math was right, we should have it also land over here with a nice seamless connection. Look at that. It worked. That notch we created gives a nice spot to weld along this edge, and that edge. So now it turns out the back can be a full piece of angle iron, can it? How long should that back one be? It should be the same length as this inside edge to that inside edge. So we measure again. Remember that? Tools, dimensions. You hover over this line, click, move. It says 2 foot 11. 2 foot 11. Right now the back is teeny. If I push pull this piece, move it, 2 foot 11 inch. There it is, right? I can orbit this. Just pick just the back one. Oh, too much. Orbit some more. Pick just the back one. Move it out of the way. Gotta rotate this one 90 this way. I'm gonna copy it. I need 3 total. One there, and let's put one here. Let's move one into place. Let's move this top one. It's already blue. I'm gonna grab his top inside corner and park it right where, this top inside corner. Nope, you can't drop it out here. I'm gonna grab, see this vertical, horizontal? I'm gonna grab that V. So let's grab this V. Put that V right, I missed, didn't I? Zoom in, sorry. There, I got it. And then drop it right there. So now we have a seamless shelf. Sit on here, it goes across, all the way across. Nice. Okay. 2 more of those. I do those again. What did Blue want? He wanted between the shelves was exactly how far? That's right. If you got it on, you can carry on your own. Otherwise, watch along. Up 12 inches. That's the next shelf. Okay. So grab both these. Let's just rotate both of those 90. And let's just grab one of those. Move just the one I'm going to grab his bottom corner again. M for move. Click to grab it. And park it in place. It's going to go up this next one. It's a bad camera angle, but I can see the point, drop it there. And then Bloom wanted this next one from the top edge up. Come on, blue for 12. Let's grab his last one. M for move. Let's grab the bottom edge and park it in place. If you do the math right, this last little piece should be from this top edge up to here should be 2 inches. And I got 2 inches. See my bottom corner of my screen? 2 inches. Good. Good, good, good. Now the back pieces. This is an extra piece. I can keep it for later. This one, I'm going to move, remember, from that little V. So grab the V. And that goes right on that. Oops, come on, zoomer. Right there. The last one, this guy, M for move. Grab that little V. That's in a park right about there. I'm going to go erase, E for erase, or the eraser button. Click those little lines, click drag, and click drag that one. Orbit a little bit. So here's the so far we have for Mr. Bloom. So side view kind of matches what we had the drawing, isn't it? Which we had the side of our shelf, one shelf up 2 inches, up 12, next shelf 12, next shelf 2 inches. He wanted the outside smooth, and it's smooth, okay? Inside to fit that 36 by 12 inch piece of plywood, got it. So next we're gonna do the shelves and some drill holes. He wants all this stuff drilled. It's gonna hang it on the wall and fasten the shelves. All right, part 3 is now done.